Well, we are very, very pleased to be here with NKBA. Thank you so much. And we want to tell you a little bit about how we got here. We consider ourselves definitely to be an NKBA baby, and we're really, really happy to recognize all the folks who've gotten us here. How did we end up creating Renovation Angel? Really simply, I was in the rock and roll radio business for 18 years, so I'm real comfortable with this mic. And I'm a recovered addict, 31 years, and I left radio to fundraise. I was in Greenwich. The Wall Street crashed, and I saw the demolition of the Queen of Iran's mansion, and it gave me an idea. The idea was, why not earn the money for charity by taking kitchens out of mansions and selling them and helping the clients and helping the charities? So this idea became a process, it became a nonprofit, and in the 14 years that we've been doing this, and we've been doing it every one of those years with NKBA, we have been able to recycle over 6,000 kitchens, to create over $21 million of recycling jobs, and to earn and distribute $2.3 million for charity, keeping out 38 million pounds out of the landfill. And I don't know if everybody realizes, but a luxury kitchen weighs about 5,000 pounds. So the millions and millions of pounds that could be kept out of landfills is an opportunity for everyone here at KBIS and IBIS. But in announcing these awards, what we really wanted to do was to really create a best practice for the whole industry and say, you want to make sure when you sell your beautiful new design that you are offering recycling to your clients. And we're actually going to have a competition that's going to start at 2020 KBIS. But we wouldn't have gotten here without the early adopters. And we are so pleased today to hand out awards to those early adopters. And the first early adopter is going to go to NKBA. And I want to bring up our special celebrity host, George Oliphant from George to the Rescue. And he's going to start handing out awards with me and for me. And this first one goes to NKBA. We're an NKBA baby. We were the charity at KBIS in 06, 07, 08. We've been at countless meetings. We've had so many designers learn about us through NKBA. And for NKBA to now recognize this partnership and these awards, we really want to thank NKBA wholeheartedly for everything you've done for us. And we're gonna grow up now. We're gonna go from being an NKBA baby to a full-fledged adult, and we're gonna get recycling going everywhere. Our next award, they're all lined up here. We'd like to bring up nationally renowned kitchen designer Matthew Quinn. Matthew has been recycling with us for many, many years. Beautiful projects from Manhattan to Palm Beach, and we're so honored to have Matthew up here with us. Our next award is going to go, Matthew, stay up here. We're going to keep all the award winners up here. Our next award is going to go to Peter Dean of Dean Inc. in Stamford and New Canaan. His firm has recycled over 100 kitchens with us for the last 15 years. It's absolutely been awesome. Our next award is going to go to Kimball Derrick. Kimball has given us more than just kitchens. Kimball has given us generous hours and days and weeks of his time in helping us expand to a national platform. I'm also pleased to give an award to Maria Staprafani. Maria has been giving us wonderful projects. She's the NKBA National President 2015, and I mentioned this earlier, one of her clients walked from a design deposit to recycle her kitchen with Maria and with Renovation Angel and get her beautiful design. So, big hand for Maria. I'd like to bring up from Palm Beach, Fred Bowen Smith. Fred has been giving us wonderful projects over the years, including a very big celebrity project last year, and we're so happy to have Fred come up from Florida for this. Thank you, Fred. We have from Westchester, Manhattan, Bellata Kitchens and Aston Smith to receive the award. Bellata has given us so many wonderful kitchens over the years and was featured in the New York Times when we first had our national article. We'd also like to bring up from West Hollywood, Stephen Cooper of Cooper Pacific Kitchens. I met Stephen many, many years ago, and one of the most expensive kitchens we ever received came right here from Las Vegas through Stephen Cooper. Thank you, Stephen. Thanks for being part of this early adopter. And to let you know, we don't just recycle kitchens, we actually recycle whole houses. So we're so pleased to bring up Scott Hobbs of Hobbs Inc. in New Canaan. He's built mansions for Keith Richards, Don Imus, and we've done some amazing mansion recycling. Scott, thank you so much for being here. And it's not just designers who have been participating, it's actual companies that are the early adopters. And the first big national company, which everybody knows and loves, is Sub-Zero, and we're really pleased to have Peter Fafaro from Sub-Zero Group East, a decade of support, partnership, and recycling of their showrooms. We're also pleased to have Erica Nissan of Walker Zanger. They were the first tile and stone company to create an awareness partnership with us in 2016 and to create a wonderful alliance with Renovation Angel. And finally, we'd like to bring up Premier Custom Built Cabinetry in New Holland. They were the first custom kitchen manufacturer to recognize us and to introduce us to so many of their showrooms, many of them who are here today. Andy Tobias to receive their award. But we have one more surprise award sitting on this table. And I'm going to give it to George of George to the Rescue because his TV show has put us out in front of thousands and thousands of viewers, and we've been on his show 3 times. And now I'm going to hand the mic over to George. He's going to tell you about the new awards that are coming this year that everybody can participate in.
Excellent. Hey, thank you, Steve. Thank you, Renovation Angel, for all you've done for so many people and keeping so many kitchens out of landfills. And for everybody up here, all you early adapters, you guys get it. As you were saying in the panel before, recycle, reuse, renew. You know, that's what it's all about. There's too much stuff being thrown away year in, year out. And what Steve does is absolutely amazing. As he said before, he's helped us out on 3 rescues. Some of you have helped us out on the rescues. And I can't thank you guys enough because what you're able to do is help people who probably wouldn't be able to get kitchens like these without Renovation Angel. And some of the kitchens that they're tearing out, these are brand new kitchens, and there's no reason for them to just be torn up, thrown away, and then somebody build a new one. People can reuse these perfectly good kitchens, countertops. We just did a rescue the other day, and our stone fabricator was like, I know those guys. I just used one of their countertops for a different client. So, you know, what one man gathers, what another man spills. So the awards which are going to happen next year, these are just the early adopters, they'll encourage luxury kitchen recycling as the best practice within the design build industry. So when contractors go in, they find these luxury kitchens, first thing they're going to think is, how can I recycle this? How can I go in there? What we call on George's Rescue is surgical demo. You know, everyone likes in the shows, you know, to go in there and smash things with a sledgehammer, but that's not necessary. A lot of times these cabinets, these countertops, these appliances can find new homes. And so that should be the best practice. That's what people should think first before thinking, where are we going to throw this away? The awards are going to recognize the kitchen designers, the architects, interior designers, showrooms, manufacturers, all people who have successfully recycled one or more luxury kitchen project over the year. And the program opens for submission starting this July, upcoming July 1st, and it closes September 30th, 2019. And we're going to be presenting this time next year here at KBIS. So I encourage you all to tell your contractors, tell your designers, tell your architects, tell whoever you know, hey, if you're going to be renovating a kitchen, before you think about hiring a dumpster to throw all that trash away, think about how can some of this stuff be saved and reused in other homes. Is this me too? Or is that you? All right. I wasn't quite sure where I started, where I stopped. So the awards, there's going to be 4 awards next year. Small kitchen project, medium kitchen project, you guessed it, large kitchen project, and then the Angel Award. So we encourage all design and build professionals to recycle their luxury kitchen projects and enter the awards, and let's all lead the charge to renovate responsibility and the Renovate Responsibility movement. Thank you.
Thank you, George. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Remember, there are 50,000 kitchens out there. Let's save everyone to help your clients, to help the earth. Thank you very much. And thank you, NKBA.